Good morning, everybody. It is finally Friday, and yeah, our old friend, the wind, is on the way. It is going to be quite gusty today. Actually, I had to put the little bunny tail on the microphone because the wind is picking up a little bit more out here. Already seeing gusts as of 5 o'clock this morning, reaching up to 30 miles an hour just to our west. Those will top up to 40 this afternoon, but it does impact our temperature a little bit. Take a look at this. Yeah, we'll reach the low 40s this afternoon. The problem is, the wind speed 21, gusting up to 40. That means it will actually feel like the 30s today. Look at the clouds, how they clear out though this afternoon. So at least we get a little bit of sun, but that will lead to a colder night tonight with temperatures back down into the teens. The weekend isn't looking too terrible. Weekend's best still on track for your Sunday. That's when we'll expect mid 40s and also lighter winds, a lot of sunshine. You'll want to stick around for GMQC this morning. And of course, you can also see it on demand on the A Plus app because we're tracking highs near 60 for next week. Have a great weekend.